You would now have completed your mood board, depending on the area that you have chosen. So on this particular one, it's gaming. Looked at different logos, pictures from existing gaming companies and colour schemes, and analysed those kind of colour schemes. You might have done sports, you might have done cars, fashion, beauty, all the different ranges of things that you might have done. From there, what we're going to do next is look at creating our own logos. But first, before we start that, we're going to look at the 3 Ps. So we've got preliminary, and now you're going to take some notes, so get some paper to get ready for this. So in industry, there are 3 main types of graphics: preliminary, production, and promotional. Preliminary graphics are sketches, illustrations, and layouts used at the design stage of new products, buildings, and publications. Skills in sketching, drawing, and rendering are important in this. Preliminary graphics are rough in nature and produced fairly quickly. The quality of the graphic is not as important as the information that it conveys. They can be quickly annotated to add information and normally drawn to scale, are not normally drawn to scale and nor have dimensions for accuracy. So I'm going to share this video and you can watch this as well. So what makes a good logo? We've got a range of different things here. We have word logos, so word marks, H&M, Google, Cadbury and Ray-Ban. And again, note the limited numbers of colours that they're using. You then have pictorial, so we've got Shell, we've got Domino's, we've got Jaguar and Ghostbusters. Abstract as well, so we have Adidas, Instagram, MasterCard, and that's Spotify. So you can see they are a different take on the graphic. It's more of an abstract version of it. So we're going to do some logo recognition here. We have a range of logos, and what I want to see is how quickly, without the lettering here, can you identify these logos. So I'll give you a minute to try and figure out what each of them are. So what you'll see from these logos, you will probably recognise most, if not all of them. They are clearly identifiable with the brand, and that is what we're aiming for. We want a logo that is instant recognition with a brand. So we've got Starbucks, Ryanair, Red Bull, Nando's, Royal Bank of Scotland, Bugatti, that's one that I wasn't particularly familiar with, I'll be honest, BP, PlayStation, and HSBC, which is the bank. So automatically you can recognise a brand without any letters or words, purely from their logo. So what we're going to do today is create our own logos. Now that we understand what colours work well together and why we use them, we can begin to design our own logo. You should create 4 logo ideas on paper and take photographs of them and scan them. You're not going to upload them there, you're going to upload them to Teams. You should annotate your logo and justify your choice in colours and shape. And the most effective logos are simple. They contain little to no text beyond the company name. They are comprised of simple shapes and limited range of colours.